Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Now, this video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be like a vlog type of deal. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to meet Crane at No Frills, and then we're going to clean tire because I'm going to change pace. I'm going to work on the Lancer. I got the Evo license plate bracket that goes on the left side of the car. We are at No Frills now, guys. Now I gotta find my fiance. I see her car. Yeah, I do, but I don't see her. Okay, I'm at No Frills, guys. I'm gonna pause the camera and go find my fiance, and I'll pick the camera up after we're done. So right now we're at Crappy Tire. I'm gonna go in and get some screws and probably work on the car today. Well, guys, we went to Canadian Tire and I got the screws that I need to mount the bracket. Now, I also went to the camera store and I got a little suction cup mount. There you go. This is freaking cool. Let me know what you guys think of these little these type of videos, because if you like them, of me showing you guys what I'm doing and whatnot, I'll do a little bit more of them. I'm just following the better half right now. And if you guys just want me to keep doing just my regular like garage stuff, I'll do that, but I want to explore with my videos here. So in a future video, I'm going to do a Q&A. Now, I want you guys to do me a favor. Comment down below and let me know what question you guys want answered. I will be doing probably in a couple weeks so I can get enough questions generated. And when I get home, because I've got 3 minutes left on this memory card, I'm going to pick it up when I get home and show you guys how to install the Evo license plate holder on a Lancer. So, as you guys can see, me and Corinne went to Canadian Tire, and what I got, I shouldn't be using my laptop as a table. So what I got is 4 washers because my plate didn't come with hardware. So I got 4 washers that are going to sink into the holes. And then I got these screws. So hopefully that will do, and I'm going to take you guys out shortly to install it. So in order for you guys to install this, you want to make sure your area is clean right here, because it's going to mount underneath this line. And you gotta move it till it fits in the right spot, which is right there. So what I'm going to do is mark the holes and drill screws into it. Hopefully it'll be good enough, and then we will put the license plate back onto it. So you gotta find the perfect spot that it'll line up, which is right underneath this line. There's a line right along there, and I think that's it right there. So what I got is my washer and screw, and I'm just gonna send it straight through there. Hopefully it doesn't mess up. Ah, messed up. I think what I will do is mark it with a Sharpie. print is showing right now. But it's calling. And I need multiple hand too, so let's see if I can actually screw it into it. Let it screwing up. Like that. You don't want to do that. Oh my god, I need an extra hand here. See if I can send it in there now. You got it?
Maybe.
So I'm gonna pause this, guys, and then once I get it done, I'll show you guys what I did. So there we go, guys. I put the 4 screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can either put screws in or you can get double-sided tape. And hopefully that, I might have to get some double-sided tape, but just because it's kicked out right here. But hey, it does the job. I'm going to put the license plate on there and then I'll show you what it looks like. And there you go, guys. It went from center, crappy looking, to over here. But yeah, it's simple. You can get double-sided tape. It's fairly different. Like, hopefully I've got it on there correct. It's got a bit of a gap right there, but like I said, there's no instructions, and I'm guessing that's where it goes, so hopefully I'll stay on. I don't need to be losing my license plate driving down the road. So, by the looks of it, I didn't finish the video, I didn't make an outro, so, like I said, I'm gonna do a Q&A. If you guys want to comment down below what questions you want answered. Right now, I've got to fix my Lancer now because I ripped the axle boots, so I didn't make an outro for that video, as you guys can see. So here's the outro. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys on the next one. And have a good day, guys.